What is the most common part to fail on a furnace? This is a question homeowners in Olympia, Washington often ask when their furnace suddenly will not start or shuts down during cold weather. In most furnaces, the most common part to fail is the capacitor. The capacitor provides the electrical boost needed to start the blower motor and ignition system. When it weakens or fails, the furnace may not turn on at all, may hum without starting, or may shut down unexpectedly. Flame sensors are another frequent failure, especially when dirt or oxidation prevents them from detecting the burner flame and the system shuts down for safety. In Olympia, Washington, furnaces run longer during cold and damp winters, which puts extra strain on electrical components like capacitors and increases moisture buildup on flame sensors. Long run times and higher humidity cause these parts to wear out faster than many homeowners expect. If your furnace is not starting or shutting down unexpectedly, call Blues Heating and Air today to schedule a professional furnace repair and restore safe, reliable heat to your home.